Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. Best 600cc Supersport motorcycles. Supersport motorcycles started as a middleweight racing category. These 600 cubic centimeters motorcycles still come regularly on national and international racetracks. But let's face it, just keeping them on track would mean we have denied ourselves a world of fun. 600 cubic centimeters sports bikes are very powerful, light, agile, affordable, fast, and a hell of a ride on the road. The past, the present, and your future. 600 cubic centimeters bikes have been very popular for the past 20 years. Most major motorcycle manufacturers have manufactured a super sports bike. Currently, the developer's focus has mostly shifted to the 1000 cubic centimeters superbikes. For various reasons, including the global emissions restrictions, new 600 cubic centimeters sports bikes are becoming harder to find. But do not worry, it simply means that the 600 cubic centimeters sports bike segment has become the playground of the bargain hunter. With the popularity of the 600 motorcycles just behind us, you might be looking at owning a classic before it's a few years old. So, what is the best 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle? Scratch it, let's ask a better question: what's the best 600 cubic centimeters bike for you? We list 10 of the most popular supersport motorcycles that compare specifications and list pros and cons in terms of power, design, engine sizes, and ease of handling. To help you narrow it down even more, we've split this list into super sports motorcycles that you can buy new in 2021, and popular older 600 cubic centimeters motorcycles. Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. Top choices for best 600cc support motorcycles. Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. Popular since the 1980s when Kawasaki's ZX range was first referred to as Ninja, the 2021 ZX6R has seen numerous updates since its inception over 25 years ago. The current mean green machine still carries the 636 cubic centimeters engine from the 2013 model, but with some updates. It now complies with current Euro 4 emission restrictions. What it has going for it: nimble, changes direction quickly and smoothly, has a unique ABS braking system. What might turn you off? This bike was built for speed, so don't expect a comfy, cushy ride. Specs: engine, 636 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke, inline 4. Wet weight, 425.6 pounds. Transmission, return shift 6-speed. Seat height, 32.7 inches. Is a 600cc bike good for beginners? A 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle can be a good starting point for beginner riders. Keep in mind that there are different types of 600 cubic centimeters motorcycles. If you are looking for speed, a super sports bike will be the way to go. Compared to a 600 cubic centimeters cruiser, a 600 cubic centimeters sports bike has about double the horsepower. So, go easy with the accelerator at the beginning. Is there a big difference between 600cc and 1000cc? You may be asking, what are the differences between 1000 cubic centimeters and 600 cubic centimeters sports bikes? Aside from the obvious difference in engine capacity, there are a few things to consider. 1000 cubic centimeters sports bikes have on average 70% more horsepower than their 600 cubic centimeters cousins. And they only weigh about 6% more. Therefore, the power-to-weight ratio tilts the scales well in favor of the 1000 cubic centimeters machines. How fast, did you say? If you are looking for super sports motorcycles, speed should be one of your main reasons. So how fast are these 600 cubic centimeters bikes? All motorcycle brands have a 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle that will ride more than 125 miles per hour. Still, the maximum speed of 600 cubic centimeters bikes averages about 160 miles per hour. And some 600 cubic centimeters sports bikes will propel you at a whopping 175 miles per hour.